What's up guys, my name is Nyunt. So today's video is just a bit of a casual check-in. It's going to be a lot simpler than what my usual videos are. I wanted to talk a little bit about my experiences so far of creating a daily vlog, shooting, editing, and repeating every single day. Lucky for me, I've been on spring break, so I've had time to be able to go out and shoot these experiences and edit. Hopefully you're not too tired of all the cherry blossom videos. I'm not gonna lie, this daily vlogging thing is no joke. My style of vlogging is more cinematic, or at least I try to be. Each and every vlog takes me several, and I mean several, hours to complete. But going forward, I'm starting work again on Wednesday, so I'm not gonna have all this time to edit these videos. So I'm gonna have to simplify my videos a little bit and do more one-on-one chats like this with you. I won't be able to make a masterpiece with every single vlog. I mean, who do you think I am? Peter McKinnon? Now with this particular vlog, I've even written out a script because I wanted to be on point. I didn't want to stray too much on tangents. Knowing what you want to say, not rambling on, that's gonna cut down your editing time and it's gonna make the whole process a lot better for you. One thing I've been playing with a lot recently and I want to do more of is speed ramping. But the issue that I have there is that it still takes up a lot of time. It's a technique that goes from like normal speed to slow-mo and then to fast-mo. And so it looks really cool, but for me it's still taking quite a bit of time to work out the timing of it all. So that's cutting into my editing time, especially when I'm making these daily vlogs. So for now, until I get better at speed ramping, it's just going to be my normal cinematic buttery slow-mo that I use in most of my videos. Another thing that I've done to speed up my editing is I've resumed my Adobe Premiere subscription. Yes, Premiere Pro is expensive, but it's a lot easier for me anyway to use than DaVinci Resolve, which is a free piece of software which I downloaded. Resolve is so different from Premiere. There's so many aspects to it that are just unintuitive. I can edit a lot faster in Premiere because there's just so many features in it that make it a lot more user-friendly and quicker on those edits. I'm not going to get too detailed into all of that because then I'm going to need to do screen captures and it'll defeat the whole purpose of making this a simpler vlog. My main issues with DaVinci come down to sound mixing, color grading, and keyboard shortcuts. When it comes to sound, I use music in every single one of my videos, and I've yet to find a quick way in DaVinci to be able to fade the music in and out when my talking head segments come up. In Premiere, I'm able to do a cut and drag across a constant gain effect, and that'll just fade the music down or up as I like. With Resolve, I'm clicking and dragging these little handles to make the volume go up and down. It just takes way too long. Also, color grading in Resolve is way too complicated for me to learn in the time that I've got to make these daily vlogs. It seems to me I've got to do a color grade for every single clip, and then if I wanted to, I can copy that across to each clip, but I have to do them individually. In Premiere, I can just whack on a LUT and the job is done. If you don't know what a LUT is, they're kind of like Instagram filters for your video. They give a certain aesthetic to it and they're just so much easier to use. When I do have time, I do go through and tweak those a little bit, and certain clips I'll individually do a color grade on as well. But for the most part, LUTs work great and a very quick solution for color grading in Premiere. And then we've got keyboard shortcuts. It took me a while to learn my Premiere shortcuts, and I'm sure that in DaVinci there is a way to map those same shortcuts, but I've yet to find them. Again, I don't have the time to learn all of that in this whole daily vlogging game. So my takeaway from this, for now at least, is that I stick with the more expensive, easier to use software that is Premiere Pro. Another challenge that I've faced is that videos don't always go to plan. Yesterday, I had intended to go to Umeda in Osaka to do a little bit of a tour around there. But once I got onto the train platform, I realized that I had left my memory card for my camera in my laptop. So I thought, okay, no worries, I'll just film on my phone. But then the footage that I shot was garbage. It was focus hunting all the time, trying to find focus in and out, and just constantly a distraction. What that meant was that I needed to have a backup. I've got a list of different video ideas on my phone which I can just pull out at any time. And my camera gear video was one of those ideas. And then another thing that people have recommended, and that I recommend as well, is to have a bit of a buffer. Have a few videos ready to go. So those have been a few of the challenges that I've faced so far with vlogging every day as part of VEDA. For those of you who are vlogging daily and working full-time, to you I tip my hat. That's all for today. I'll be back tomorrow with another video, so if you haven't already, please subscribe and like this video. If you are doing VEDA or just creating video in general, please let me know in the comments below what your challenges are. Let's all share our stories and see if we can all help each other out. My name is Nyunt. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.